Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy.
You are welcome to the Goa Regional Championship. Today we are bringing you contests from the Central Region, and this is the fourth contest. In this contest we have Boa Amponsem Senior High School, University Practice Senior High School, and Adisadel College. Let's meet the contestants. Boa Amponsem Senior High School is represented by
Fosinita Samo, Abdurrahman Bruce.
Okay. University Practice Senior High School is represented by
We have Michael Osei. Benedict Sedem.
Then we have Adisadel College. They are represented by
Younger Michael Kwesi.
Adepa Chamia Benedict.
best wishes to the schools. The regional championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News. We'd also like to acknowledge the support of CHAS in preparing these students to participate in the competition. This is a prime-time production. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohinie J. I am a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. To our competing schools, we have this contest in 4 rounds. We'll begin in round 1. Here, I'll ask you a series of questions to test your knowledge of concepts in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. If a question comes to your school and it involves calculations, I'll take your answer in 30 seconds. If there are no calculations, 10 seconds. A correct answer to each question will earn you 3 points. If the answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. That question becomes available for another school to try for it as a bonus question. A correct answer to a bonus question is worth 1 point. However, if the answer to the bonus question is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll begin with Boa Amponsem Senior High School. A preamble to all the schools. Find the electric field at the point 3J meters due to the given point charge configuration. I'll take that again. Find the electric field at the point 3J meters due to the given point charge configuration. Boa Amponsem, 125 nanocoulombs at minus 4I meters and 125 nanocoulomb at 4I meters. Yes, okay.
500 Newton per coulomb.
No. A bonus. Okay. University practice, 375 nanocoulomb at minus 4I meters and negative 125 nanocoulomb at 4I meters. Yes, if you are ready with your answer, you speak into the microphone.
We have the electric field to be. We have it to be. It was negative. We have it to be 180 newtons per coulomb.
No. Okay. A bonus to 1.2.
$44 Newton per coulomb.
No. Adisadel College. 375 nanocoulomb at negative 4I meters and 125 nanocoulomb at 4I meters. Yes, Adisadel.
So we have 48I plus 36J, all in Newton per coulomb.
No. Okay, so Boa Amponsem, your answer was 54J volts per meter. I would have taken Newton per coulomb. And then university practice 144I plus 54J volts per meter. Adisadel 72I plus 108J volts per meter. Okay. A preamble. Give the chemical formula of the products formed in the given reaction and indicate the precipitate formed, if any. I'll take that again. So give the chemical formula of the products formed in the given reaction and indicate the precipitate formed, if any. Boa Amponsem, silver nitrate and magnesium chloride. Go ahead.
We have AgCl and Mg, bracket open, NO3, bracket close, subscript 2. And there wouldn't be any precipitate in solution. That's they will all dissolve in solution.
2 out of 3. University practice, I'll come back to why. Sodium carbonate and nickel 2 nitrate. Yes.
So we have NaNO3 and NiCO3, and the precipitate formed would be NiCO3.
Yes, that's correct. Adisadel, potassium iodide and lead 2 nitrate.
So the products formed
Equals 1. Yes.
I have pi on 6 radians, or 5 pi over 6 radians.
No. A bonus to Adisadel College.
So x is equal to pi on 4 radians or 3 pi on 4 radians.
That's correct. University practice. University practice. 4 cos squared x equals 3. Yes.
X is equal to pi on 6 radians.
No. Okay, I'll give them 2 out of 3. Adisadel, tan squared x equals 3. Yes, go ahead, Adisadel.
X is equal to pi on 3 or 2 pi on 3 radians.
That's correct. So, university practice, you gave me only one answer. So it's pi on 6 and 5 pi on 6. Okay. Boa Amponsem, what is the RH factor? Yes, go ahead.
It is the rhesus factor that is used to determine the blood group of organisms in other cases. Like, it is used to determine it's a rhesus factor which is used to determine the blood group.
So what is the rhesus factor?
It's a protein antigen.
2 out of 3. University practice. What is the difference between RH positive and RH negative people? Yes.
Okay, so RH positive individuals they can receive blood from RH negative individuals. That is when the other antigens are when the other antigens do not act against each other. However, RH negative individuals cannot receive blood from RH positive individuals.
So what is the difference before they give blood? What is the difference between them?
So before in donating blood, an RH
1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. Adisadel, I'm taking all your bonuses away. Your question, what is the effect on a baby born by RH negative mother and RH positive father? Yes.
Okay. So it can cause agglutination of the blood cells in the resulting fetus, and this can result in damages to blood cells and blood vessels in the resulting fetus, and this because of the incompatible nature between the transfer of blood between the resource negative.
So what happens to the baby?
The baby, there might be a miscarriage.
Okay, 2 out of 3. Okay, so, and I'll explain. So the RH factor, I wanted you to tell me that it's a protein found on red blood cells. That was missing, and it's important in matching blood types. That's why I gave you 2 out of 3. Boa Amponsem, simply, RH negative people do not have the antigen. RH positive people have the antigen. Sometimes I think you think too far. You don't think the questions can be that simple. And Adisadel, after everything that happens, the baby will have hemolysis. There will be hemolysis of the blood. I was looking for that. That's why I gave you 2 out of 3. Okay. Boa Amponsem, find the horizontal range for an object thrown 30 degrees above the horizontal at 5.0 meters per second.
(1.25 meters per second.
No. Who should answer? Okay, Adisadel College.
2.2 meters.
That's correct. University practice. Find the horizontal range for an object thrown 15 degrees above the horizontal at 7.0 meters per second. Yes,
2.5 meters.
that's correct. Adisadel, the horizontal range for an object thrown 15 degrees above the horizontal at 8.00 meters per second is 3.3 meters. Find the horizontal range for an object thrown 30 degrees above the horizontal at 9.0 meters per second. Yeah, okay. Give the systematic name for Boa Amponsem 2-ethyl propane.